Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this black and white filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so your layout might be little different than me. I'm using TikTok Vietnam, so my layout is like this. Maybe you will be seeing trending here. Okay, no worries, just slide right until you find blog. Basically what you have to do, and now slide up. Basically what you have to do, you have to find this image. Remember this image, this is the effect. Tap on it and you are done. You got the black and white filter. And don't slide on the screen, otherwise you lose the black and white thing. Okay, so this is the filter. If you are not finding the filter here, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for black and white filter. Here you will see some of the video with this effect. Now tap on this video to find out the effect. Okay, as you can see here at the bottom left corner of the screen, the effect icon is there. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the effect from there also. And still if you are not finding the filter, what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and open it with TikTok, and you will be again redirected to the effect page. Now at the bottom of the screen tap on the record button again, and that's it, you got the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this black and white filter on TikTok, and swipe on the screen and your black and white effect is gone. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.